Yes, boss. Partially here again. You know I'm here to talk. And talk about what? To talk about it. Talk about it. You know what I'm talking about now. Thank you for showing up for the unforgettable tap out world. Big. Thank you for the massive success. Major, big shouts out to Guinness. Guinness bust our head. Guinness were there. They were our sponsors. They made us look so fine that day. You understand? We're wearing some Guinness tank tops, showing off. You understand? Thank you for to Guinness, man. Big shouts out. The first pictures from the Unforgettable Tap Out 2 are now on the blog. More pictures are still coming. You know, yeah, yeah, yeah. And you know, I have enough for you to last the next 3 weekends, I think, or so. I have events for you. You understand? Events coming up. And you know, I hope you like my shirts. This fine shirt I'm putting on. Do you see what it says? It says it reads Shades on Shorts. Shouts out to Dream Entertainment for my shirts, man. Shades on Shorts is a beach concert and party. That's March 2nd at Mustin Beach. Spent all week. Be there. And that's March, I said, though. But this weekend we're going to Kumasi. We're disturbing Kumasi. And it's the MIA All Black Party. Sorry I'm wearing red, man, but we're going to be all black that day, man. That's brought to you by Vegas Money Gang. I guess who will be in the building? Surely. Surely. That's right. You got it right. Shantizu will be in the house. Be shutting it down. Shantizu will be shutting Kumasi down, man. And shirts, man. If you're not there, man, you have dog, man. Shutting it down. I'm talking about shutting down things and getting things shut down. What I have for you is shut down on the 28th. This is sponsored by Guinness again. Thank you very much, Guinness Ghana. Padu. Guinness Ibad Pass. Guinness extra smooth, extra stout. Guinness. Double thumbs up. Thumbs up to Guinness. Yeah. Shut down. That will be a house party, East Legon. What else? Yeah, it's a mask party. So you need to masquerade it and show up. You cover your face, look like you are not you. You understand? Don't look like yourself. Look like another person. Then you come and toast girl. Even if she's ugly, if she's fine, you don't really know. You just go, she's wearing a mask, you are wearing a mask. I hope your child won't come out with a face looking like a mask. You understand? But Charlie, show up wearing a mask, man. The masquerade party. There'll be masks at the venue, so you can get masks at the venue. 22nd. 22nd. My own head to our boss too. Okay, 22nd. That's this weekend. Yes, disturbing Kumasi, and that is to say, Dodo Gang shirts are coming to Kumasi. Disturbing Kumasi, and that's and thank you to everyone that had the Dodo Gang shirt, man. You people are plenty going now, and thanks a lot for the support, man. And you know you can always go to the blog for updates. Just Dodo Gang ENT theblogspot.com. Dodo Gang ENT theblogspot.com. And don't dull it. Follow us on Instagram, Dodo Gangnam Style, on Twitter, Dodo Gang with an underscore at the nyash. You know why there's an underscore there? When I was creating an account here, I tried Dodo Gang. It didn't work. Then I used my own account to search, and what did I see? One Chinese guy. His name is Dodo Gang. Don't follow him. That's not Dodo Gang. That's not also. Follow Dodo Gang with an underscore at the nyash. And if you have inquiries, anything, you can go on our Gmail, dodogang13@gmail.com, and the blog, Dodo Gang ENT theblogspot.com. And if you want to holler at me, Bashali, go on Twitter, DEE. That's DEEMAYJ. And if you want me to promote, you understand, holla the nigga. So we talked about Shades on Shorts, March 2nd, shutdown 28th of February, and this thing 22nd. MIA All Black Party, Shantizu, disturbing Kumasi first, then masquerade it up, then beach, Shades on Shorts. You understand? So we're telling you what you have to look like. All black to see Shantizu. Then you go and masquerade it up the weekend after in East Legon, disturbing everywhere. Then You go and you cack your shades, man, on your shorts, man. Nothing else. Even if you're going to the beach, what else will you be wearing? Shades on shorts. So you need to show up, ready to turn up, disturbing everywhere. And right about now, I told you about shut down. And me over here, shut down. Bye.